In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert and edit your PDFs in Microsoft Word. Working with PDFs can sometimes be tricky, especially if you need to make changes or update information in a document. The good news is that Microsoft Word has a built-in feature that allows you to open a PDF, convert it into an editable Word document, and make any necessary edits quickly and easily. This is perfect for reports, contracts, forms, or any PDF that needs updating. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once it's open, go to the File tab in the top left corner and select Open. You can either browse your computer to locate the PDF file or drag and drop it directly into Word. Choose the PDF you want to edit. When you select the PDF, Word will display a message saying that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK to proceed. Word will create a copy of your PDF in Word format, keeping the original PDF intact. Depending on the complexity of your PDF, the formatting may vary slightly, but in most cases, Word preserves headings, paragraphs, images, and tables accurately. Once the PDF is opened as a Word document, you can now edit it just like any other Word file. Click anywhere in the text to start making changes. You can add or delete text, update numbers, modify tables, or replace images. Word gives you full control over the content, which is especially useful for making corrections or updating older documents. If your PDF includes images, you can select them, resize them, or even move them to a different part of the page. For tables, you can adjust columns, add new rows, or format cells as needed. All of the standard Word tools are available, so you can make your document look exactly the way you want. After editing, it's important to save your document. If you want to keep it as a Word file, simply click File, then Save As, and choose a location and name for the document. If you need it back in PDF format, you can click File, Save As, and select PDF from the Save As type drop-down menu. This allows you to share or print the document in its original PDF format with your edits included. And that's it. With this method, you can easily convert any PDF into an editable Word document and make changes without needing extra software. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.